السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. The guests of honor, respected teachers, parents, guests, and dear students, I have to say that my pleasure and an honor to be standing here and giving vote of thanks to all Al-Adala Academy and Junior Fraternity over the course of this academic year. As we come together to mark the closing of yet another fruitful academic year, it is time to reflect, celebrate, and look forward to new beginnings. This ceremony symbolizes the culmination of your hard work, achievement, and the incredible journey you have all undertaken. To our parents and families, thank you for always standing by us. Your encouragement and sacrifice have been the foundation of our achievement. This speech is tribute to you as well, as without your love and support, we will not be where we are today. I will also like to extend a heartfelt thank you to our teachers and staff. Your dedication and passion for teachings have been the guiding light for us. Your lessons, both in and outside of the classroom, will remain in our heart. Whether you offered advice during challenging moments or shared words of wisdom about life, your impact extends far beyond our academic growth. A heartfelt speech will not complete without acknowledging the selfless effort of our manager, Ustad Abdurrahman. He has been more than just a manager. He has been our pillar of support, motivating us to push our limits and achieve things we never thought possible, guiding us through difficult times, or encouraging us to believe in ourselves. He has always been there with his unwavering commitment till our school emerged best, pioneering every sector as a role model to other schools. Before I say goodbye, is your child a member of Al-Adala family? If not, he or she is missing a lot. Al-Adala is where you forget the source of knowledge. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.